Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you that your brain is slowly losing its ability to focus? Not because you're lazy, not because you're stupid, but because your phone is training your brain every single day. Most people don't realize it, but attention is becoming one of the rarest skills in the world. Think about what happens when you open your phone. You tell yourself you'll watch one video, just one. But one video becomes five, five become 20. Suddenly an entire hour disappears. And when it's over, you feel exhausted even though you didn't actually do anything meaningful. Here's what's happening inside your brain. Every notification, every like, every short video gives you a tiny dopamine reward, a tiny hit of pleasure. Your brain loves rewards. So it starts craving faster and faster stimulation. That's why reading a book feels harder. That's why studying feels boring. That's why sitting quietly for even a few minutes feels uncomfortable. Imagine feeding a dog a treat every 20 seconds. Eventually, the dog stops paying attention to everything else and only waits for the next reward. That's exactly what's happening to your attention span. Your brain is being trained to expect constant stimulation. But here's the good news. Your brain isn't broken, it's trained. And if distraction can be trained, focus can be trained too. Try something called the 15-minute rule. Pick one important task. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Put your phone away. No multitasking. No checking messages. No switching between apps. Just 15 minutes of focus. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. That's normal. Your brain is used to constant rewards. But after a few minutes, something interesting happens. Your attention starts settling down. The task becomes easier. Focus starts feeling natural again. Most people wait to feel motivated before they start. That's a mistake. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. The people who seem disciplined aren't special. They've simply trained their brains differently. Every day you're training your mind. Like, the only question is this: are you training it for focus or are you training it for distraction?